Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and sound at your homes. I'm your social studies ma'am Nida Arshad. Let's start our class. Unit number 1, physical regions. Chapter number 2, regions of the world. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 2, regions of the world. Our topic is world regions. दुनियाई क्षेत्र. Like different regions of Pakistan, the whole world is divided into various regions like mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, and rivers. Like in Pakistan, there are different regions like mountain regions, plateaus regions, plain regions. उसी तरह दुनिया में different regions पाए जाते हैं. Mountains cover about 27% of the earth. यानी कि इस अर्थ में 27% जो है वो पहाड़ हैं, mountains हैं. In Asia, the largest mountain range is of Himalayas ranges. As you all know about Himalayas ranges, they are located in Pakistan also and are Asia's largest mountain ranges. The next, in Europe, the largest mountain ranges are the Alps. These are the largest mountain ranges in Europe. And in South America, the largest mountain range is the Andes mountain ranges. These are the largest mountain ranges in this region. And in North America, the Appalachian ranges are the peak ranges. It means are the largest ranges in North America, followed by Rockies ranges. And in the other subcontinents of the world, like Africa and Australia, there are many other mountain ranges lies in these regions. Let's learn about world's highest peaks. First one, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in Himalayas and is the number 1 peak in the world. Number 2 is Mount K2 and is the second highest peak in Himalayas and as well as in the world. Aconcagua is the highest peak in the Andes mountain ranges in South America. And in the North America mountain ranges, Appalachian ranges, Mount Mitchell is the highest peak in these ranges in North America. And also in the North America, in Rockies ranges, Mount Albert is the highest peak in this region. And the next one is Mount Blanc, which is the highest peak in Alps in Europe region. Let's learn more about world regions. World regions also have plateaus. Plateaus are flat raised area above the ground. These are the flat surfaced areas, and Tibetan Plateau is the largest plateau in the world, as we have learned in our previous video. जिस तरह डू यू नो में हमने पढ़ा था कि टाइबेटन प्लेटू जो है वो दुनिया का सबसे लार्जेस्ट प्लेटू है. लेट्स लर्न मोर अबाउट इट. दिस प्लेटू इज डब्ड एज द रूफ टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, यानी कि इसको दुनिया का रूफ टॉप भी कहा जाता है. लेट्स लर्न अबाउट प्लेन्स रीजन्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. प्लेन्स आर रिलेटिवली फ्लैट सरफेस्ड एरियाज. Flat surfaced area means हमवार सतह, and plains usually have flat lands and it is very easy to do construction on these lands. Let's learn more about this region. Indo-Gangetic Plain is the biggest plain on the world, as you can see on the picture. This is the Indo-Gangetic Plain. These plains covers almost entire Bangladesh, northern India and eastern Pakistan. It means these plains contain 3 countries and the plain is densely populated. इसका मतलब ये जो मैदानी इलाका है वो densely populated यानी कि बहुत गुंजान आबाद इलाका है. And the fact about this region is an area is densely populated when it is crowded. यानी कि जब ये crowded होता है तो densely populated होता है, but it is scarcely populated यानी बहुत ही कम आबादी होना when it is not crowded. Let's learn about valleys. The largest valley in the world is the Great Rift Valley. You will see this valley in the next slide. This is the picture of Great Rift Valley and it is the world's largest valley. It runs from Syria to Mozambique in East Africa. It means it lies in East Africa and is 6,400 kilometers long. All the world regions are formed by the movement of earth plates. It means कि जितने भी इस दुनिया में रीजन्स बनते हैं वो अर्थ की मूवमेंट की वजह से बनते हैं. जब ज़मीन की निचली सतह जो है जिसको हम अर्थ क्रस्ट कहते हैं टूटती है इनटू ह्यूज पीसेस, इट फॉर्म्स डिफरेंट landforms, and this is how different world regions are formed. Now let's do question answers from this topic. Question number 1, define plateau. Plateaus are flat raised area above the ground. Question number 2, define plains. Plains जिनको हम मैदानी खिता भी कहते हैं, plains are relatively flat surfaced areas, are flat lands. It is very easy to do construction on these lands. Question number 3, how are different landforms formed? It depends on the earth's surface. The crust is broken into huge pieces, and these pieces between the crust plates results in the formation of different landforms in the world. Question number 4, identify the different mountainous regions of the world. Now let's identify different mountainous regions. The mountainous regions of world include Himalayas, the largest mountain ranges in Asia, which have the two highest peaks in the world. The next one, Alps, the largest mountain ranges located in Europe. Andes, the largest mountain ranges in South America. And at the last, Appalachians, which are the largest mountain ranges in the North America. This is your today's lesson. See you in the next class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.